Have you ever seen a feature so strange, yet so powerful, that it completely changes the way people think about AI? That's exactly what just happened with Google's Nano Banana 2 launch. At first, everyone thought it was a meme, a funny name, another small AI update from Google Gemini. But this one is different. Because Nano Banana 2 isn't just an AI feature, it's a creative revolution. This small but mighty system is reshaping how creative SaaS tools, from design platforms to content apps, actually think. And if you're a founder, marketer, or just someone who uses AI tools daily, this is something you absolutely need to understand. What exactly is Google Nano Banana 2? Let's start simple. What even is Nano Banana 2? Nano Banana 2 is Google's new lightweight multimodal AI model, built as part of its Gemini ecosystem. It's designed to handle text, images, audio, and short video clips, all within a micro-sized on-device architecture. That means it doesn't rely on massive cloud computing. It runs locally faster, smarter, and cheaper, and this is huge. Because for years, creative SaaS platforms have been trapped between two extremes: powerful AI in the cloud, but expensive, or local tools, fast but dumb. Nano Banana 2 is bridging that gap, giving the power of multimodal reasoning to every device and app. In short, it is like having a mini version of Gemini running inside your favorite creative tools. Why it's a game changer for creative SaaS now? Here's where things get exciting. Creative SaaS apps, think Canva, Figma, Descript, Runway, Notion, CapCut, and Jasper, are all fighting for one thing: intelligent creativity. And Nano Banana 2 gives them exactly that. Here's how: context-aware creation. It doesn't just generate, it understands. If you're designing a thumbnail in Canva, Nano Banana 2 can analyze your image composition, understand the subject, and instantly suggest better layouts or text contrasts. Instant multimodal feedback. You upload an image, record a voiceover, or add music. Nano Banana 2 evaluates all of it together. It can tell you, hey, your visuals are energetic, but your voice sounds too soft. Want me to fix it? Offline creativity. Since it's built to run on-device, even offline creative tools can use powerful AI functions without heavy cloud dependencies. That means lower latency, faster rendering, and full privacy. Basically, every SaaS that uses creativity, design, marketing, video, audio, can now embed an AI brain inside their workflow. How it works. The tech behind Nano Banana 2. Let's go under the hood for a second. Nano Banana 2 uses a compressed transformer architecture, a smaller version of Google's multimodal Gemini 1.5 model. But what makes it unique is its cross-attention engine. This lets it connect meaning between formats. When you write text, it sees visual structure. When you show an image, it hears emotional tone. When you play audio, it understands narrative context. That's why Google calls it Nano Banana, small, fast, efficient, but packed with multimodal flavor. Think of it as a universal creative assistant, capable of understanding everything your SaaS app processes. How Google plans to integrate Nano Banana 2. Google isn't keeping this one locked inside Gemini. They're opening it up through Google AI Studio and Vertex AI APIs, meaning startups and indie developers can integrate it directly into their apps. Here's what that means. Creative SaaS founders can add real-time voice-to-video syncing. Video editing tools can auto-generate visuals that match your script tone. Music SaaS apps can dynamically remix based on emotional intent. Productivity tools can understand context across formats, text, slides, and visuals, all in one flow. Imagine building a SaaS app where users describe their idea, and Nano Banana 2 instantly designs the visuals, writes the copy, and generates a launch video, all consistent in tone and style. That's not futuristic anymore, it's here. What this means for founders: if you're a startup founder, listen closely. Because Nano Banana 2 isn't just a model, it's an opportunity. This new architecture enables tiny AI SaaS products that deliver massive value with almost no backend cost. You can now build powerful multimodal tools without renting huge GPUs or paying OpenAI scale prices. Let's say you're building a personal content editor, a design recommender, an AI storytelling app, a brand voice generator. With Nano Banana 2, your entire SaaS could run efficiently on-device or edge servers, making it faster, cheaper, and more private than traditional AI apps. That's a game changer for indie devs and solo founders. Real-world scenarios. This is wild. Let's make it real. Video SaaS Revolution Descript plus Nano Banana 2 equals instant video summaries, tone correction, and visual recommendations, all locally processed. Design SaaS transformation. Imagine Figma or Canva auto-adjusting your layout to match your brand's voice or emotional tone using multimodal feedback. Content creation platforms Jasper or Copy AI could analyze both visuals and copy simultaneously, ensuring your ads or posts emotionally align with your product visuals. Music and audio Imagine Soundtrap analyzing your lyrics, matching it with your melody, and adjusting the emotional key, all in seconds. This is creativity on steroids, and is fully automated. The big shift, AI, that understands emotion and aesthetic. What's unique about Nano Banana 2 is its emotional intelligence. Unlike older models that focused on words, this one perceives vibe. It can detect humor, tension, excitement, or sadness just from the visuals and tone. So now, when SaaS products use AI to recommend thumbnails, music, or captions, they won't just pick relevant assets, they'll pick what feels right. This emotional accuracy is what's going to make the next generation of creative tools 10x more powerful. For developers, easier integration. If you're a developer, here's the best part. Nano Banana 2 is modular. That means you can plug it into your existing system, no need to rebuild your app. Using Google's Vertex AI SDK, you can connect Nano Banana 2 with Firebase for data, Cloud Functions for automation, or even low-code tools like Glide or Softer is small enough to deploy on small servers, yet powerful enough to rival cloud-based models. This opens the door to lightweight, high-speed AI SaaS apps that perform like enterprise tools but cost pennies to run. Global reach AI for everyone. One of Google's key goals with Nano Banana 2 is accessibility. They're re-optimizing it for low-power devices and multiple languages, making it ideal for global SaaS distribution. Imagine an African design startup, or an Indian marketing tool, or a Brazilian content platform, all using the same powerful AI tech, but tailored for local users and offline support. This could democratize creativity worldwide, and that's massive. But there's competition, of course. Google isn't the only player here. OpenAI is working on GPT-5 with deeper multimodal features. Anthropic is focusing on reasoning and accuracy with Claude 3.5. Meta is open sourcing AudioCraft and Video Composer. But where Google wins is integration. They already control Android, YouTube, and Workspace, and Nano Banana 2 will quietly slip into all of them. Imagine Gmail suggesting designs for newsletters, YouTube recommending thumbnail edits, Google Slides automatically syncing your voice with visuals. That's full-scale creative automation, baked into everything. What it means for SaaS founders and creators, this is where the disruption happens. Nano Banana 2 will blur the line between tool and assistant. SaaS apps won't just help users create, they'll co-create. Your app will understand color psychology, emotional tone, storytelling rhythm, and give personalized suggestions in real time. Founders who integrate Nano Banana early will dominate their categories. Because once users get used to smart creativity, they won't go back. Final thoughts. The new creative frontier. So what's the takeaway? Google's Nano Banana 2 isn't just another model release. It's the beginning of contextual creativity, where AI understands your ideas the way you do. And for the SaaS world, it means a complete reinvention of how creative tools are built. We're moving from AI that executes GIFs to AI that collaborates. From static templates GIFs to dynamic, adaptive design. From tell AI what to do GIFs to AI already knows what you mean. That's the next evolution, and it's happening this year. So if you're a founder, marketer, or creative, don't sleep on this. Because the tools of 2025 won't just create content, they'll create with you. If this breakdown opened your eyes to how Nano Banana 2 will change SaaS forever, hit that like button. Subscribe for more deep dives into AI tools, SaaS innovation, and the future of creative automation. And drop a comment below. Which creative tool do you think should integrate in Nano Banana 2 first? Canva, Descript, or Figma? Let's talk in the comments.